Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a question I get all the time. How hard is the EPA 608 exam, especially with the 2025 updates? If you're in the HVAC world or thinking about getting certified for refrigerant handling, this video is for you. Let's break it down step by step. First off, the EPA 608 is a certification exam required for technicians who work with refrigerants. It's designed to ensure you know the rules, safety protocols, and best practices to protect the environment. With the 2025 updates, there are some new focuses on emerging refrigerants and stricter environmental regulations, which might make it feel a bit tougher. So, is it hard? It really depends on your background. If you're new to HVAC, the exam can be challenging because it covers a lot of technical stuff like refrigerant types, recovery procedures, and federal laws. From what I've seen, the pass rate hovers around 70 to 80%, but that's for people who prepare properly. The multiple choice questions test both knowledge and application, so it's not just rote memorization. To give you a sense, the exam has three main sections: Type 1 for small appliances, Type 2 for high-pressure systems, and Type 3 for low-pressure systems. You'll need to study topics like leak detection, proper disposal, and safety hazards. I remember when I took it, the trickiest part was understanding the real-world scenarios in the questions. But don't worry, it's totally doable with the right prep. Start by getting a good study guide or online course. Practice with mock exams to get used to the format, and focus on areas where you feel weak. There are plenty of free resources from the EPA website. Set aside time each day to review, and maybe join a study group for tips from others who've passed. In conclusion, while the EPA 608 exam might seem intimidating, especially with 2025's updates, it's manageable if you put in the effort. Think of it as an investment in your career. It opens doors to better jobs in HVAC. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and let's crush that exam together.